Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome back to the series of how to use programming in automation. So as part of this series today I am going to show you how to use two lowercase and two uppercase string methods in automation. Okay. So two lowercase method converts all the characters to lowercase and two uppercase converts all the characters to uppercase. Okay, so in any real-time automation, we use these two methods to make sure that the case difference do not cause the validations to fail. Okay, so I will repeat once again. The case difference means whether it's a lowercase or uppercase, it will not cause the validations to fail. Okay, so let's get started. I will show you what I mean by that. Okay, so to show you that, I'm using tutorials point tutorial points practice application. Okay, I've already created a spec file. Okay, so now I'll tell you so what I'm going to show you. Okay, so here to fill the value into this first name text field, so think that it will accept only capital letters. Okay, but in the test data I will enter small letter and I will convert into capital letter and I will enter into the text field. Okay, so let us create a variable const. I will say name is equal to, I will enter or I will store small letter. Okay, so here I will store small letter and while entering I will convert it into capital letter or uppercase. So how to do that? I will say uppercase name const uppercase name. So I want to convert this name into uppercase. How to do? Name dot to uppercase to uppercase. So this will convert, so this method will convert this small letter Shruti to capital letter. Okay, so now I will enter this uppercase into this text field. So let us inspect. Okay, so it has id name. So await page dot locator, the id is the name dot fill. So dot fill, I want to enter uppercase. So uppercase name. Okay, so now let us do some assertion to make sure that the text is uppercase. Okay, so for that, once we enter the text we need to get the value of the text field. So how to get that? Using input value method. Okay, so we will say const entered entered name. Entered name is equal to await page dot input value. So this method fetches the input value, means the value entered into the text field. Okay, input value of which field? Of this name field. Okay, input value of this field. Okay, so now after this let us do some assertion, that is expect entered name to be uppercase. Entered name to be uppercase. Okay, so I'll give some weight so that we can see the value entered. Await page dot wait for timeout. I'll give some 3 seconds of time. Save. Let us execute. I hope you know the basics of Playwright. If not, there is a beginner friendly tutorial in my channel. Please do watch it. There I've explained everything from the scratch, like installing Playwright, starting from the import statement. Okay. And if you think you're learning something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so as we can see that it entered capital letter. Okay, So now you can ask me that, so in here instead of converting you can directly enter capital letter. Okay, so here we can do that, but what if the data is coming from other resources? Okay, other resources there, instead of changing the test data, here we can convert the data into uppercase or lowercase. Okay, so whatever the case we want to enter into the text field. Okay, okay, so now I'll show you this email ID field. Okay. Okay. So this field, I will enter email ID, all the capital letter. Okay. But when the validation comes, I will convert this email ID, capital letter email ID into small letter, and I will do the assertion. Okay. Okay. So let me inspect the element. It has ID email. Okay, so let us, what we will do is we will enter capital letter email ID. So await page dot wait for, sorry, page dot locator. So the locator is hash email ID dot fill. So I want to fill test user at test.com. Okay, so after filling I want to get the value of it. Okay, so how to get, we know already, using input value. Okay, so const entered email is equal to await page dot input value. I want to get the input value from this email field. Okay, so now I want to do the assertion. Okay, so how I want to do the assertion, this email ID should be equal to small letter, to be small letter. Okay, so how to do that, expect entered email dot, how to convert this character, sorry, uppercase to lowercase using toLowerCase method. toLowerCase dot to be, so here I will say test user at test.com. Okay, so here I am converting this capital letter email ID into small letter, and I'm doing the assertion. Okay, okay, so let us execute. I should have given some weight. Okay, it entered. Okay, okay, so this is how we use two lowercase and two uppercase methods in automation. Okay, so basically we convert the data to two lowercase or two uppercase before comparing it, or before doing for before using it for any assertion. Okay, okay, so thank you so much for watching. Once again, if you think you learned something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.